Hello, and welcome to Columbia Health. We're here to help you stay healthy so you can focus on your studies and all that Columbia and New York City have to offer. Columbia Health offers a broad range of on-campus services, including routine and urgent medical visits, short-term mental health counseling, sexual violence prevention and advocacy services, disability services, along with educational and skill-based health and wellness programs. These services are available to students as part of the Columbia Health fee. All offices are located on the Morningside campus. Medical services is a comprehensive primary care practice that can meet the majority of your medical needs while you're at Columbia. In addition to preventative and primary care, medical services offers nutrition counseling, gynecological and IUD placement, sports medicine, travel medicine, allergy shots, immunizations, and even acupuncture. For most students, appointments can easily be made on the Columbia Health website. Counseling and psychological services offer short-term therapy, medication management, and support groups on different topics including trauma, eating disorders, mindfulness, and managing academics. CPS clinicians are highly trained, represent a broad variety of cultural backgrounds and professional experience, and offer treatment in more than a dozen languages. Sexual Violence Response is a confidential support resource for students. Professional staff and volunteers provide crisis counseling, intervention, and advocacy. SVR operates a 24-hour, 7 days a week helpline where you can seek confidential support. SVR also provides prevention education and outreach through innovative workshops, trainings, and co-sponsored events. Disability Services facilitates access for students with disabilities by coordinating accommodations and services. Disability Services works with students with all types of disabilities, including physical, psychiatric, sensory, learning disabilities, and students with chronic medical conditions. Visit the Columbia Health website for information on how to register. Alice Health Promotion focuses on building and supporting a campus environment where healthier choices are the norm. Alice offers health and wellness programs to promote good sleep habits, cope with stress, understand responsible alcohol use, support healthy sexual activity, and much more. Visit Go Ask Alice, our online health Q&A resource, to find answers to your most personal health questions. For more information about Columbia Health or to make an appointment, please visit us online. Take advantage of these campus resources. After all, your health is up to you. Be well, Columbia Health.